Hi guys, this video is for small business owners like me who wants to have a professional looking packaging for their products but have limited budget to buy packaging from big manufacturers. In this video, I will show you how I make professional looking packaging for my leather products as seen in these pictures. I start by printing out the packaging box pattern which I have already designed on Inkscape software. After that, I proceed to cut out the patterns and join them together using a masking tape. I then place the pattern on a 270 gram per meter square cardboard sheet and hold the pattern down to the cardboard paper using masking tape. After that, I proceed to cut out the pattern on the cardboard paper. Then I use a round tip metal stylus to mark grooves on the folding lines on the cardboard pattern. I use stitch line marker to perforate the outer flaps and corner flaps to increase their foldability. After these processes, I proceed to fold the package box, following the marked groove lines. After that, I test the box with the intended product to see if the dimensions were accurate. I repeat the same process for the box lid with additional opening of thumb holes on two sides of the lid to enable easy opening of the box. After folding the lid, I run one more test of the box with the product to see if everything fits. Next step is to put my brand logo on the box. For this, I use a permanent vinyl sheet. I first cut the vinyl using clay cut marker tray and transfer it to the package box using transfer sheet as demonstrated in this video. For more details on how to make packaging box for your products, see my earlier video on that. I provided link in the description below. After completing the package box, I proceed to make the drawstring bag for the packaging. I first mark out the dimensions for the fabric I need for the drawstring using a pre-cut cardboard sheet. I then proceed to cut the fabric according to the marked lines. After that, I iron the fabric to strengthen the wrinkles. I then fold the side edges and iron them in preparation for stitching. Proceed to stitch the two sides of the bag, leaving approximately 3 cm gap on each side for the drawstring. After that, I fold, iron and stitch the top edge of the bag to prevent fraying. I then fold the top end to the lower end of the drawstring hole, iron it in place and stitch it up. After that, I flip the finished bag inside out to reveal the perfect drawstring bag just shy of the drawstrings. I iron the bag to remove wrinkles on the edges and then proceed to print my brand logo on the bag. For this, I use a vinyl stencil which I created using clay cut marker 3. For more details on how to make a branded drawstring bag for packaging, watch my earlier video on that, link provided in the description. I first place a cotton board inside the bag to prevent paint staining the backside of the bag. I use a transfer sheet to place the stencil on the center of the bag and peel off the transfer sheet afterwards. I place masking tape on the edges of the stencil to give me more room in case of paint spillover. After that, I use Malibu textile paint to print my brand logo on the drawstring bag as demonstrated in this video. After printing my logo on the bag, I let it dry for 45 minutes and then peel off the stencil to reveal the brand logo. I then fix the paint to the fabric by ironing over it using a baking paper. After that, I remove the carton I placed inside and proceed to insert the drawstrings. I insert the drawstring into the channel with the aid of safety pin as demonstrated in the video. After that, it's now time to test the whole packaging and see if everything went as planned. Now you have a DIY professional looking packaging for your products. If you find this video helpful, support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. You can also support me through my PayPal link in the description below. Thanks for watching.